Changing your primary email on NerdWallet Business is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your email is updated correctly. Step 1. Log in. Access your NerdWallet Business account by entering your username and password on the login page. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings option, usually found in the top right corner of the dashboard. Click on it to proceed. Step 3. Select Email Preferences. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use sRoute to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Update your primary email. Find the field for your primary email address. Enter your new email address in the provided space and ensure it is typed correctly to avoid any issues. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click this button to confirm your changes and update your primary email. By following these steps, you can successfully change your primary email on NerdWallet Business. Make sure to check your new email for any confirmation messages to finalize the update.